Dasheen. This is what dasheen looks like. It grows underground. Dasheen is a great source of fiber and other nutrients which provide a variety of healthy benefits, including improved blood sugar management, gut and heart health. In addition to fiber, the dasheen has healthy amounts of potassium, magnesium and vitamin C. Now this is what it looks like when you open it. You cut and open it. This is what the dasheen looks like. Dasheen. Let me show you quickly how you peel it. It's peeled. This is the dasheen skin after peeling, and this is what you get from it. This is the dasheen here. So I'm just going to wash it and place it in the pot of already boiling water with salt. I'm going to put the dasheen in here and wash it. This is the second wash for the dasheen. You have to be careful because there is a starchy part of this dasheen that can be itchy. It could, if you are allergic to it, it could actually give you the itch. Okay. Here I am to the pot of boiling water, and I'm just going to place the dasheen pieces. I'm just going to add a dash of sea salt. Not too much. And then I'm just gonna let it cook for like a good 15 minutes, and I'll be back on medium high fire. I'm just going to cover it up and let it cook for 25 minutes. Guys, as you could see, it makes like a foam. So I'm just going to cut a piece of this lime, and I can just squeeze it, or you just place it in there and it's going to take care of this foamy thing. Instead of lime, you can also use oil. Let's cover it up. When it cooks, you will see there is no more foam in there. The 15 minutes is up, and I'm going to check the dasheen to see if it's cooked. Yep, it's cooked. See? And as you could see, the foam is gone, and the lime is still in here. The piece of lime, as you could see, it's still here. It works. It's cooked. This is what the dasheen looks like when it's cooked. I'm going to turn off the stove. I turned up the stove, and this is it, guys. Dasheen. It's cooked. It's nice and creamy. Nice. This is what's for dinner: dasheen, bakumba, and stewed fish.